Hi there, welcome back. What I have today is a combination lock with three numbers. I don't have one with more numbers, or I would have done it with that one. But what I'm going to do is decode this. I do not have the code. I got the wife to change it before I started this video, so I do not know it, and hopefully I can explain it and decode it at the same time. So what you'll need to do is apply tension to this bit here and look for a binding disc. So we'll check disc 1, feels really loose. Disc 2 feels very loose too. This feels stiff. I think I fell into a gate there on 3, but I'll go around and check still. There, yeah, that is a gate on 3. So we look for a binder after this. And number 2 feels like it's binding up. So we'll take it round. Doesn't feel like that one's clicking in. That wasn't on 3 properly. No, so we'll go to pit 1. I think that's going to be a 0, but we will check. It does seem to be on 0. And we do have an open. 003. Not a very good combination. So what we'll do, we'll change it ourselves. Mix the numbers up and we'll see if we can tell when it's fallen into the gates. So number 3 was the binder, so I will start off on that. It clicked in on the 5. Number 2 was the next binder. And that looks like it moves half back over to the 9, but it is on the 8. We seem to have fallen into an in-between there, so I don't know whether that's a false gate. And there we have an open again. So the combination lock did only have 3. I wish it did have more to make it a bit more difficult for us, but work with what you've got. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.